So I just finished playing outside with Maggie. She likes to play ball. Often, always. Life is ball. So we're in Bryan, Ohio at CNC Fab, which is also OH Motorsports. I have to say, these people are phenomenal. This whole community is great, but the people at CNC Fab, the people at OH Motorsports, genuinely good people. Really good people. I've had such an amazing time here. We had to extend our visit by a while to get the bus painted first, and then to fulfill obligation to Corey as our thank you for hosting us and helping us paint all of that. They'll exchange some training on our software for it. But of all the places we could have gotten delayed, I'm so glad it's Bryan, Ohio. This community is amazing. Everyone we've met, we've made some great new friends, and I'm so grateful to Corey, so grateful to Chris, so grateful to all the people of OH Motorsports, CNC Fab, and also so grateful to the community of Bryan, Ohio. So this has been really good.
You want to make sure that your pulse width value for the injector and your multiplier at its peak, when you add those together, do not go over what your target RPM limit is going to be. So at 3.4 milliseconds, if I go back to that spreadsheet, I would look and say, well, I want to run 4,000 RPM. That pulse width is going to be too high. You've got to figure out how to get that number down.
B-roll.
What's happening, guys? We just went to Candy World. We are in the candy cane lollipop capital of the world, the biggest manufacturer of candy canes and lollipops, as well as Bit of Honey, which is one of my personal favorites as a childhood treat. And we went through and did the movie theater tour, which showed you inside and out of the factory, how the workers interact with the machinery at the factory and the factory itself. So pretty cool stuff, really cool town, super cute town, probably the coolest courthouse I've ever seen in the world. Looks like a Walt Disney castle. But yeah, awesome town. We really enjoyed it here. We've been here for 2 days. Getting the bus painted at CNC Fab. They've been super gracious, awesome group of people there. It's hard to find a company that big with that many employees that care, and so it's been really fun interacting with them and their employees. Chris and Corey have been super gracious. Great time hanging out in the parking lot last night. Had some cigars with friends and making new friends daily. So follow along for the ride. This is just day four. Day four, so lots more to come. All right, so we're sitting here at CNC Fab with Corey and just kind of getting where he started and where it all began, and what was your first product that you ever made?
Crossover line for the 7.3 Power Stroke.
Okay, for the oil system?
Yep.
Okay. Where were you at the time?
I was at work, actually, and I spent 17 years or 22 years as a millwright, and so at the steel mill when I was working there. We have our own hydraulic crimping machines, and I seen this, and I'm like, you know what? I was on a night shift or whatever, nobody around, and cut a hose down and fit it up and tried it out. I was like, man, this thing really does work. It does lower the engine noise. It does make it quieter. It's the product actually worked.
I need 20 cigars. Go ahead. Get 20 cigars, get 25% off.
So you're basically getting the cigar for free.
Oh, it smells so good in here. I'm just gonna stand by the door.
Oh no, so if you buy 20, you get 25% off.
Oh, hey.
So I have my goal, because I didn't bring anything on this trip. Nothing. So I like the Deadwoods. I like Macanudos a lot. Hey, Benny, what do acid cigars taste like?
A stripper's terrible. They are terrible.
I'm not gonna ask any questions.
Well, the same question everybody asks is,
How do you know?
Exactly.
And that was completely by accident, right?
Yeah.